Hello everyone, my name is Majid Rahimi and you are watching part 9 of our classical technical analysis course. If you want to watch this course from scratch, click here to reach the first video. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video if you're not a subscriber yet. By now we have learned about head and shoulders pattern and also triangle pattern family. Today we're going to know rectangles, double and triple tops and bottoms as another family of price patterns. Rectangles are composed of a series of sideways fluctuations surrounded between two boundaries. This is because buyers have good reasons to buy near lower boundary and sellers do opposite in upper boundary. It's somehow a war between buyers and sellers of the market. In rectangles, most of the times boundaries are not completely horizontal. Most of the time they are sloping up or down a little, but not too different with horizontal. There are two kinds of making money out of rectangles. As you might guess, one of the ways is to buy in bottom line and to sell in top of the rectangle. If rectangle is wide enough, this can make you some money. The second way of making money is just like using triangle. If price penetrates the upper boundary, we should expect more rise and we should buy. If the price penetrates the lower boundary, we expect more fall and we start selling. The rules are somehow similar to symmetrical triangle. Trading activity becomes lower inside the rectangle, so we see lower volume on chart. That 3% margin of price penetration is just like triangle and head and shoulders pattern. Again, like head and shoulders and symmetrical triangle, we need high volume in penetration of upper boundaries to confirm more rise, and we don't need it in penetration of lower boundary. In rectangle, we see more pullbacks to boundaries than what we see in symmetrical triangles. Rectangles tend to continue prices in previous direction most of the times, but this shouldn't mislead us. We just get signal after penetration. And finally, the rectangle is much more powerful to reach its targets when it's more like square. This means that the longer it takes to shape rectangle and the less width of it leads the less power and less validity of pattern. Before we see some examples of rectangles, it's necessary to see two very famous patterns and their differences with rectangles. At first look, you might see both of them as a kind of rectangle. It may be also interesting for you knowing that they are the same in application too. But let us know about the differences in the next video. So we're going to know those differences and also measure target for rectangle and see some example of this family of patterns in the next video. Share our videos with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.